Hey, welcome back to the Bear Cave. Today we've got the CKW80 designed by CKW Studio. Opening our container, we're met with a box with your PCB, plate, and accessories, and a leather bag for the keyboard. I actually really like this carrying case as it looks very classy. Along with the case, the bag also comes with a rainbow artisan as a gift. The case itself is well built, and I did not notice any issues with anodization. Of course, at its price point of $349, this is to be expected. Final production units will have the text on the back weight removed, which in my opinion will make it much cleaner. Today, I'll be building our configuration with Marshmallows and an FR4 plate. First, let's hear from our sponsor, PCBWay. Brought to you by PCBWay. PCBWay's OEM EMS service provides a one-stop solution to help you create a final product from an idea. Boasting an impressive inventory of over 100 materials, more than 30 different finishes, and lead times starting from 1 business day, PCBWay has you covered. Whether you need PCBs, CNC machining, or 3D printing, PCBWay is always the correct choice. The CKW80 can be built in 3 configurations, with our first being plateless. For this, attach gaskets to the mid-frame and bottom case, then place the PCB on the bottom case and screw the mid-frame in. Using this build was nice as it resulted in a very flexy typing experience. After using it for a day or so though, I got pretty bored of the feel. I had some issues with switches popping out as I used this build, but I think that was just because I used a hot swap PCB. Unfortunately, my typing test was corrupted for this build, so I'll have to redo it at another time as the PCB was modified for other configurations. I found the assembly and disassembly of this case very easy, with all the tools I needed included in the initial kit. For gasket mounting, the tabs on the PCB must be removed, and the tabs on your plate must be used instead. Add gaskets to the top case, then screw the assembly together with the mid-frame screwing into the plate and top case. Let's take a listen. For a final top mounting style, add the included plastic tabs in place of the gaskets in the top case. And screw the mid-frame into the plate and top case again. Let's take a listen. After trying all 3 builds, I found that top and gasket mounting gave similar results, with top mount just feeling stiffer, with each option sounding pleasant, plateless being higher pitched, and topper gasket being deeper. I thought that this board was unique due to the customizability it had with its 3 mounting options and switchable USB-C port location. Additionally, I felt that the theme of the board was well executed, with a cigarette-shaped light bar being a nice touch. Personally, I enjoyed the top mount build the most because of how firm it felt in comparison to the plateless and gasket configurations, which I thought kind of got old after a while. If you want to check out the CKW80, make sure to check out the group buy, which will be held from the 7th to the 24th of February, with more details in the description. I'll see you next time.